Okay, in today's video, I'm going to install a custom ROM on this S5 over here. This is actually a S5 Plus, so I'm going to install Lineage OS because that's what it works. What the fuck? What am I on today? Like, the fuck did I just say? First of all, we're just going to connect it to my computer. Allow. Ignore my password. And where's Odin? Boom, boom. This is an older version for my S5. That. I'm just going to turn it off. Power up. Or I can just do this. That's more efficient. Efficiency, smart. Okay, I booted up into the download mode. Warning, volume up. It's now in download mode. I'm just going to fire it. RQT close. Boom. Pass. Recovery booting. First try, mate. It's first try. Now we're into the easier zone, aka. Where's my spot? Let me just disconnect it. Wipe. Format data. Yes. Reboots. Recovery. Do not install. Connect it back into the USB port. OTI. Paste. Stop lying, that's not fully copied. Yeah, that's a lie. That's a lie. If I have seen one, it ain't copied. I'm just going to sit. Okay. Where's my... Why is it 9? I'll be right back because let me download it again because my firmware is fucked because of me. Yes, me. Fuck me, honestly. Okay, I got the files. Let me just close it. Then LTEA. Boom. It's a 400 meg files, 400 megabyte file, so it won't take a while. At least it's not 6-7. Oh, hey, get out 15 Pro Max. I'm honestly tired of iPhones because they are too boring for me, honestly. Copy that. Mind the gaps. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go into Femboy very slim. He just cut off. Okay, I flashed the softwares. Boom. Let me just zoom in because I hate Ultrawide. Boom, let me just cut off and go back because I honestly don't like, the ultra wide camera. on this S10e. Okay, I got the phone over here, and let me just close my aperture 2.4 so it can focus. I already flashed it because it's boring if you advanced swipe, down records, cache, swipe to wipe, go back, reboot, system, I will install it. Now let me just wait so it boots up. Let me just disconnect the USB cable because I don't like having it. Oh! You saw that? I saw that. It's loading. It's loading. That's good. If it doesn't, just boot loop. And you're going to watch it with me. I'm not going to make any cuts, okay? You're going to watch it. You're going to wait with me. How's your guinea pigs? Oh, that's the wrong channel. And nice. It's boring. Let me actually make a cut because this shit's gonna take a few minutes. Okay. It booted up. Let me just zoom in a bit. Start, skip. That is a Wi-Fi. 6751. Am I? Scratch that. I'm not going to connect to Wi-Fi because I'm not going to sign in because on Android 9 the Google Assistant setup fucks it up. And also, more importantly, this is going to take a while. I'm not going to end my video until I see the Easter egg. Boom. Let me zoom back a bit. Let me zoom it back. Holy shit. Shit, no. Skip. Not now. Skip anyway. Adding finishing touches. Start. Whoa! It's booted up. And I immediately threw the clock into the digital abyss. I'm gonna do the deed. It's fixed. Settings. About phone. Android 9. Security patch 2021. At least better than, Let me actually see what's the newest update for this. No new updates found. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Subscribe or some shit. Let's go to my Ko-fi page, link in the description and in my bio. Bye, I guess, lol.